Creating viral content, especially short videos, requires a combination of strategy, creativity, and timing. While no one can guarantee virality every time, there are certain tactics you can use to significantly increase your chances of making shorts that perform well across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Here's a step-by-step guide to boost the potential of your shorts going viral. 1. Hook viewers in the first few seconds. Why it's important? You have a very small window, 1 to 3 seconds, to grab attention. How to do it? Start with something surprising, funny, or visually engaging. Use curiosity gaps. Show a teaser without revealing everything to make viewers want to stick around. Example: wait until you see what happens next. Or showing a part of an exciting reveal or transformation. 2. Focus on relatable and shareable content. Why it's important? Viral content often resonates deeply with people and encourages sharing. How to do it? Tap into emotions or experiences that a wide audience can relate to, such as humor, awkward situations, life hacks, or motivational moments. Example: a funny skit about everyday struggles, like when you can't find your phone, but it's in your hand. 3. Leverage trends and challenges. Why it's important? Trends have built-in virality because users are already interested in them. How to do it? Participate in trending challenges, popular sounds, or viral memes, but add your unique twist. This way, you're riding the trend wave while standing out. Example: using a trending TikTok sound, or participating in a viral dance challenge, but adding a funny or unexpected ending. 4. Keep it short and engaging. Why it's important? The shorter and more to the point your content, the more likely people are to watch it fully and even rewatch it. How to do it? Aim for shorts that are 15 to 30 seconds long. Make sure every second counts. Cut out any fluff. Engagement drops if your video is too long or slow-paced. Example: a 10-second video showing a dramatic before and after reveal. 5. Use eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Why it's important? Thumbnails and titles help your video stand out in crowded feeds. How to do it? Create bold, visually striking thumbnails that tease the most exciting part of the video. Use engaging titles or captions that invoke curiosity or urgency. For example, "You won't believe this trick." Example: a thumbnail with bold text like "life-changing hack" and an image showing the final result. 6. Create emotionally driven content. Why it's important? Content that evokes strong emotions, whether joy, surprise, sadness, or inspiration, is more likely to go viral. How to do it? Craft stories or moments that tug at people's heartstrings or make them laugh out loud. Use music and visuals that amplify the emotional impact. 7. Encourage interaction and engagement. Why it's important? The more people engage, like, comment, share, the more the algorithm promotes your video. How to do it? Ask questions, encourage users to comment their thoughts, or create polls. Consider adding a call to action (CTA) at the end of your video. For example, double tap if "Has this made you laugh?" 8. Use high quality production. Why it's important? Clear visuals, good lighting, and sharp sound quality make your videos more professional and enjoyable to watch. How to do it? Invest in a good phone camera or basic lighting setup. Clean up your background, ensure good audio, and use editing tools to enhance your video. Even short videos can benefit from smooth transitions, effects, and captions. 9. Tell a story or create suspense. Why it's important? Humans are naturally drawn to stories. Videos with a narrative arc tend to retain viewers longer. How to do it? Use storytelling techniques in your shorts, even if they're brief. Build up suspense, lead into a satisfying reveal, or take viewers on a mini journey. 10. Optimize for platform algorithms. Why it's important? Each platform's algorithm determines which videos get promoted and which get buried. How to do it? Learn what the algorithm values. For example, YouTube Shorts likes consistent posting and high engagement. Post when your audience is most active and use relevant hashtags to help your video be discovered. 11. Include a strong call to action, CTA. Why it's important? CTAs boost engagement, which in turn helps videos go viral. How to do it? Ask viewers to like, share, follow, or comment. However, keep it subtle and fun, don't be too pushy. 12. Engage with the audience. Why it's important? Interacting with viewers encourages them to stay engaged and come back for more. How to do it? Reply to comments, pin interesting ones, and engage with your followers. This shows that you value your community, and the algorithm may promote your content more because of the engagement. Bonus tips for going viral. Consistency is key. The more you post, the more chances you have to go viral. Keep experimenting with different formats. Cross-promotion. Share your shorts across different platforms to expand reach. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels each have different audiences. Leverage them all. Analyze performance. Use analytics tools to see what worked and what didn't. Pay attention to what types of content receive the most views, shares, and comments, and adjust your future posts accordingly. By focusing on these tactics and being consistent with your efforts, you'll maximize the chances of creating shorts that capture attention, engage viewers, and hopefully go viral. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep pushing forward and making your dreams a reality.